I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Photoshop with a clean workspace. Open your file, then choose Window, Workspace, Essentials, and Reset to remove hidden panels. Once done, select the Move tool, V, because Photoshop shows its contextual controls only when a tool is active. This is the first actionable step. Make sure Auto Select is visible in the Options bar. If not, resize your window or go View to show UI. This guarantees the contextual taskbar can appear for many common tools. Now you'll reveal the actual contextual controls for specific tools. Click the brush B to show size, hardness, and mode options in the Options bar, then try Type T to display font controls. If options aren't visible, go to Window and check Options to toggle the bar. Once done, change document zoom or screen size. Photoshop sometimes collapses controls. Adjusting window dimensions forces the bar to reflow. This helps you understand why different tools present unique contextual settings. Finish by saving your customized layout so contextual options stay where you want them. Window, Workspace, New Workspace. Make sure to test multiple tools because each one exposes its own taskbar elements. If a tool shows no options, right-click its icon and choose Reset Tool or Reset All Tools to restore defaults. If the Options bar is still missing, go to Preferences, Interface, and reset UI scaling or switch GPU settings. This fixes rendering issues that hide the contextual task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.